Well, for the first time in a long time, here at the unboxing area, we actually have a lot of space. So you can actually see now that there's nothing here almost. So we are going to unbox a pallet that came home today, and it will be a mix of new stuff, restock, and damaged goods, I see as well. Of course, we can't just have one disaster. So we have a cup noodle here. I'm not gonna put on the new good lights today because it'll be too much of a hassle with all the new stuff going on. I have to move everything. So this one, not very pretty. This one is fine. So we got the cup noodle back in stock, just a few pieces. Then I got this Beatrice. I do believe this was a special order for a customer that I could get. We got two PGs, also with a slight dent actually. It's goddamn annoying. Well, Mark II. Some might be able to live with it. Some would think it was the worst disaster in the world to receive these kits. It's a fun thing. Just give me a second. I don't recall. I'm gonna check that afterwards. Oh, two more of these Mark IIs. Should actually be a fantastic build, what I've heard. So that's another one here where some of the paper went off. Some of them I'm gonna try to slip through maybe to nice customers. We got one wing Gundam Zero Custom, the perfect grade. I know there's more on the way, so this one is just gonna go online. Have a customer who reserved one for later next month. And just to info, reservations is not for everybody. This one is one of the moderators at the Discord channel who actually kind of works for me, so sometimes there has to be benefits of doing that. Then we have this one. I don't think there's been so much hype regarding this one, but the Force Impulse Gundam Spec 2. The normal form Force Impulse is actually a pretty nice kit. So they came with a Spec 2 version. And no, it's not the new one. I ran out of the old one, so I just ordered a couple of those. Just in case somebody wanted to compare. Miarine Rembrandt from Mercury. A few extra of her. Now the annoying part is I have been trying to see how I could replenish the warehouse with new kits, and actually made some rather big orders, but as for next week, all this has to be cleared, including the couch and the shelves all the way down to the kitchen area. So all those things has to be allocated somewhere else. And the entire showroom is stacked up with damaged goods. And I might receive something like 4-5 pallets of goods to try to compensate for all the damaged one. And I haven't even gotten the insurance money yet. I will probably have to deal with that because I also have to pay a small amount myself. Self-risk, not quite sure what it's called in English, but we pay a certain amount each time we get a damage, and this amount is actually over 6,000. We got the Kamiki Burning Gundam Love this flame kit. And I actually think that that amount, the 6,000 and something, should not be my problem, but the people who owns the building, because this was not my fault, so I can't see why I should be held responsible for it. But we will have to see once my own insurance has settled their stuff, then maybe we can claim that amount. SDW Heroes, Onimitsu Gundam Aerial. Sorry for the bad lighting here. Maybe I should try to do something else. Let's just move the camera a bit over here so you might be able to see this one. Choturi Pan Lunch. The girl with the big fluffy hair. Got a few of her. In this box at least, I can't remember how many I ordered. My mind has been a lot of other places, I must say. Off you go. This one goes away. Okay. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna take this one. More pan lunch. Tukirna Diarth. That's a crazy name, but it's a new 30 Minutes Sisters kit. That actually looks pretty great. I'm gonna put the camera even closer and maybe I can just zoom out a bit more. So we can have some lights on the kits. And you just have to not see me as much, I suppose. Master grade Gundam Astray red frame. A few of those were killed in the water damage, so before it goes offline, out of production, I just needed a few extras because you know how it is. Where am I gonna put all this? You've heard that sentence 1,000 times, but this time it's really a problem. Tukirna. What is this? Beatrice Emilia. I'm not quite sure. I don't recall ordering these. I mean, can't remember, guys. I'll check it afterwards. This was also the aerial, and then we have the new SDW Heroes Musha Gundam, the 78th, together with the aerial. And this is all SDW and 30 Minutes Sisters. There's a lot of 2024 kits here. Not bad, not bad. Not so much restock for now. And if there's some noise in the background, it's the demoisturizers. They're trying to remove all the water from the entire building and inventory. Actually emptied, I think 10 tanks of, can't remember if it's 20 or 30 liters there's in it. So we definitely had a benefit of having those here. Knife. Okay, seems like I put it somewhere not here. I'm just gonna pick one up. It's up here. Now this one, as you might see, is a master case. I lost so many of these as damaged boxes, so I just needed a few more. I bought a case of master grade Gundam Eclipse. And then we have a box down here with something that I actually ran completely out of amongst. Oh, I do believe this one was reserved for someone. It looks kind of like it's been sliding on something, but that's how it is with these boxes. The perfect grade Zako 2. And then we have 2 here for starters, at least. I know there should be more of the mega size Unicorn Gundam. They are hard to come by at the moment. It was pure luck. I got some more of those because the other ones were sold out pretty fast. I must say, I just built it myself. It is really big. It's like kind of one of the absolute biggest normal kits you can have, as long as it's not kind of like a vehicle kit like the Neo Zeon or the Dendrobium and stuff. It's enormous. Let's see here, more Eclipse and 2 Rembrandt here. Where did I put the other ones? Doesn't matter. Put them over here. Then we have a completely new one, Cosmic Era. Seed Freedom thing. Black Knight Squad Shivi A. One of these knight looking kits. How many? Let's see. I think it was only 10. We got another Eclipse. Let's get these strays up as well. 2 strays over here. And we have Master Grade Stray Blue Frame D. Which actually has a lot of knives everywhere. And an awesome big backpack. And another Eclipse down here. One more RX-78-2 and 2 Kamiki Burning. Got 3 boxes left. There's a huge pallet that came today, also because the pallet was destroyed. So they put a pallet on a pallet, and it was 220 tall, I think. Look here, another Zaku, perfect grade, and another one, and another one. Char Zaku, the green one is yet to be wished for. I haven't seen it. We got the Wing Zero Gundam Custom again in perfect grade. Old fellow. Some are whining about it not being one of the best ones. I bet I could make it work. At some point I'm probably gonna build it. I would like to have all of the master grades in my collection, at least for the showroom and stuff. Then we have an entire master case here of mega size. Let's just check, just to be sure. Yeah, we got that. Then we have a master case here of something colorful and something that I don't think there has been new of for a long time. It's this. I think this just looks incredibly cute. Incredibly cute. And the colors are just very nice. It's the Aloha, the Bear Guy Ohana and Aloharo set. So not Aloha, but Aloharo. It's a very Hawaiian themed thing with the flowers and music and all the colors. So cute triple kit inside this one. Tiny bear guy can ride the big bear guy on this chair. So definitely a nice one. I'm gonna put these on the website, guys, and I just have to count them an extra time and then fit them somewhere here in the warehouse where they're not placed here. So more will come. Today is Tuesday. I don't think more will come this week. Next week, when we are going to fix all this, we will have a lot of goods. So filming might not happen, guys. I can't film here. I'm not gonna stand over there while they're drilling and cutting and stuff. So videos will be on pause. I think shorts will probably be on pause. I could maybe make some videos in the office, but I can't run around film when having 4 guys running around renovating the warehouse. Too much noise, too many people, and probably not gonna satisfy the algorithm very much, but that's just how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna put this up, guys. If you need any of it, go grab some. If not, then just keep on supporting, spreading the website and stuff. And I will see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.